munchkins and my dog sitting on here. Daisy!
This is my mom. Hey.
Everybody, I'm his mommy.
She just went right back on my lap. But, sorry it's kind of loud. But, yeah. Today's our fidget vlog. Sorry about that. Today's our fidget vlog.
Well, I'm going to throw you outside and spray with the hose.
Let me go get it.
It's too cold, Daddy.
It's too cold, Dad.
I'm turning on the light. Sorry, my room's a huge mess. But first, my fidgets. It's really cold. This one's really cold. This one is putty. Sorry, the back. This is my slime. It's basically a fidget, and I don't want to get it out. It's messy. This one, as you just like, it's basically a pen, but you just go. And I dropped the pen. Okay. This one's like. It's like go like this, it's for shaking, but like I use it for that. This one, it's DIY. Really just like screw back on. Then this one is this, and yeah, basically all my fidgets. So I just wanted to do a quick vlog about these. Okay, I'm gonna show you behind this room. I got this one yesterday. That's how I got it. I got surprised with it from the dollar store. Then I just made this one yesterday. I stole this one from my mom, a pen. I also stole this from my mom, and I stole this from my mom. So okay, sorry guys.
For your math.
Okay, so I basically stole almost all my fidgets from my mom. That's basically it. Bye, Munchkin.